welcome to our Hikari booth. And this time I want to present our this exhibition, and which is our GTB 2025. And this time we are very excited because we are going to introduce our new technology, which is our V technology. And it's very effective and very efficiency for the new workers. And also it's very good for the factories. And I really like this type of exhibition because sometimes people can come from the different factories and different places and see our new technology. And this time we have our 8V and 9V. Those are very effective. If you come this side, you can see there is just only 2 holes we are using, which is for passing our threads, which makes no dust, and also it's very effective for the new workers. And for the plain machine, we have new technology with the very good efficiency. And I'm so excited and I'm so happy about this year GTB. Thank you so much.
This is Iqbal from Hikari Bangladesh Liaison office. Mostly we working in the Hikari brand the long time. So in Bangladesh, Hikari is the upgrowing the company globally. So this company is now in the sewing industry leading from the, you can tell in China #1, because for the machine performance, quality and after sales service, everything is good. And you know in this year 2025, the Hikari brings the latest technology, especially in the logistic machine and overlock machine, and also some producing some latest machine. So this machine, we use the intelligent thread tension device. This device is very exceptional. You cannot find the other brand. So Hikari really doing the innovation. So and from the customer feedback, if I say really from the customer feedback is very good, because in the Bangladesh, lots of the group of company now using the Hikari machine. So we have the confidence is now growing also up. So and our brand is now committed with the customers. We really take care of all the customers globally, and most of the global buyer choose the Hikari brand. I cannot maybe say for the technical issue the name, but the most of the global brands that chose the Hikari latest technology. And Hikari really participate in the Garmentech exhibition every year. Never miss this Garmentech exhibition. So by this Garmentech exhibition, we want to spread out the brand value in the global sewing market. So thank you.